She always wanted to have more, but not in dunya, in akhirah. She was extremely observant, described as has impeccable memory, noticeably intelligent, articulate, knowledgeable. And this is one of her landmark. And her knowledge is not only knowledge of deen, and many of us will say, of course, she grew up in the household of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. But she had knowledge of poem, dentistry, and medicine, to the point she was asked, we can understand you have all the knowledge about religion, fiqh, hadith, but how do you know about medicine? And she said, I used to watch when the tribes and Bedouins came to Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam and asked him, and he tell them and teaches them a prophetic medicine, and I learned from that. Observant,